And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about solar for your RV. If you have a trailer or an RV, you may have seen one of these before. This is a Furrion 2-pin plug. A lot of trailers come with these, and people don't seem to know what to do with them because most of the ground deployable solar units don't come with the 2-pin Furrion plug. So I'm going to show you how to outfit your solar panel with the 2-prong plug from Furrion. This is the back of my solar panel. The Furrion plugs are just wires that run straight to the batteries, so whatever solar panel you get has to have a charge controller already on it, or you can get a separate charge controller and do it that way. And the wires aren't very big, so you can't put more than one ground unit, or maybe two, before you burn out a wire somewhere. I got all of these parts on Amazon, and I will include the links down below. What you will need is your solar panel with your charge controller. Most of them come with the battery clips on them like this. So we're going to be removing these and changing it over to one of these. This is a 2-pin plug that goes into the Furrion adapter. On your charge controller that's attached to the back of your ground deployable solar panel, you can see where the battery positive and negatives are. These are the ones that go out to the battery. So we're going to remove those. This next step is important. This is the extension cord that has the 2-pin. It has 2 ends, and each end has a male and female. The ends are not the same. They are different. One has the positive, that's the female, and one has the positive, that's the male. You need to see which one, this is the Furrion adapter plug, fits into this one. So this one has the female positive, so I need the one with the male positive that this will connect into, and then we're going to cut off the other side. When you figure out which side is the side you're keeping, just make sure that the positive and positive stay on the same side of the plug. And then go ahead and hook it up so that you know which side it is. And then we're going to cut off the other side. Now with this extension cord, I've got quite a bit here. You don't want to have more than you actually need. Since this is DC or direct current, it's going to lose value or lose charge the longer the cord is. It's not as efficient as alternating current. So don't overdo it on the extension cord. You don't need 400 feet of this stuff. Or hopefully you don't. So the side that you're not going to use, go ahead and cut it. And then we're going to strip the wires, and they will go back in here where the battery came out. But we're back in here where the battery clips were, just like that. Again, when you're securing those lines, make sure that the positive side is to the red one. I deployed the ground unit, and you just take the Furrion adapter plug, plug it in. And this runs directly to the batteries, so now they should be charging. And that's all there is to it.